Question 14, Part A. How would you account for the following? Actinoid contraction is greater than lanthanoid contraction. This is because there are 5 f orbital electrons which have poor shielding effect than 4f. And second one is transition metal from colored compounds. This is due to the DD transition. DD transition, or the energy of excitation of electrons from lower d orbital to higher d orbital, lies in the visible region. Presence of and the presence of unpaired electrons in d orbital. Third one is complete the following reaction. So the completed reaction is 2Mn2 plus 3H2O plus 5NO3 minus.